What do you know about your mother's childhood?
So after the war, the idea was to create a place for Jews to come together, be together, for the kids to play together, for the Jewish people to be together. So a Jewish organization was created. This took a different name later on. In English, it's called the Social and Cultural Association of the Jews, and Polish Towarzystwo Społeczno-Kulturalne Żydów, in short TSKZ, for the first letters of the Polish words. And my mother, together with her parents, would go to the place, which was in Czestochowa, a beautiful garden, and she would play with other kids. She would learn Yiddish. She would learn about the Jewish holidays. She was actually in a band. She was singing, this was after school. She would go there and she would be with her Jewish friends, and of course the parents would be with their friends. This was her growing up in Czestochowa. The SKZ, this association was the main office was in Warsaw, and its branches were located in different cities throughout the whole Poland.